You are in the meeting in a Google Meet and you want to share your presentation or your content or any document to all the participants in Google Meet, and you see it's not working. Such an annoying situation and so depressing, and it really hammer your confidence to the floor, and which is so bad because you want to crush that interview or you can crush the presentation to win it, right? And you have that problem. I want to make sure that that problem never ever happen to your life right now. That's why I'm creating this tutorial. So stick with me, and in this video I'm going to show you every amazing thing you could do like a pro to share your document and presentation through a Google Meet call. You want that, right? Of course you do, because you want to look like a pro. Let's get started. Sure. You need to come to the Google Meet call, right? To do the Google Meet, you can click in the top right corner and you can see the Google Meets, or you can go to the calendar and you can find where's the meetings request has been sent. Or you can just come in and you can start a new meeting. So you can see this one, start an instant meeting. So right now, as I want to show you how to do this one, I'm jumping into an instant meeting. So I'm jumping into instant meeting, and then my camera is on, and you can add the other participant right now and send them invitations. So right now I'm not going to do it. Let's shut down the video as well. And here, if I want to invite someone, I can also send them the email address here, and you can send them, type them, and you can send them an invitation as well. So if I add people, and you can type the email address and you can send them the invitation. That easy. But now let's get to the main point. How do I share my presentation? So first of all, most of the time in a presentation, when we want to make in a Google Meet, an interview or a meeting, we want to share, like an example, it as slides. We have slides and we want to share for it. So like an example, this is a business plan. I want to share this slide to other participant. How to do this one, right? To do this one, let's do this one. You're gonna still come up in this bottom corner. You can see there is a button here in the box with an arrow. This is the sharing button, present now. As soon as you click that one, there will be three options: your entire screen, your window, a tab. The most important one is actually a window. This is the one can help you solve sharing a PowerPoint slide. How to do this one? First, you click the window, and then immediately you will show all the other window you have opened. And you can see this one, a business plan's PowerPoint slide is one of them here. Even the browser I'm speaking right now is one of them as well too. So what I'm going to do, I need to click that one. It's very important. You're going to click that one, left click, and then that button gets selected, the business plan. That is a very important step. Make sure you click it and make it selected, and then you press share. And also hit the button share, and you can see immediately it's presenting your screen and it's appear. And now I can stop it, like an example, ignore it, because if I want to show it clearly, and I'm now showing for everyone. So now it's sharing. And now how do I stop it? There is a button. I can press that and stop it here, or I can hide it. For right now, I'm just hiding it because I want to do it seamlessly. And now whatever I do in my presentation, it will keep changing and keep showing. Even like an example, I come back and even I make a new slide, and I can even, you can see I can even it's live going on right now. I can even come in, is actually I can do a shape, I put it on. Everything I do in my slide, it will lively to be presented to everyone, right? So that's the first one. If you have a PowerPoint slide, this is exactly what we're going to do to share your slide to the participant of your call. So never ever make this mistake again, because you're going to look like a very low tags and unqualified candidates or participant. You're in a meeting or interview and you're not doing it well. All right, don't do this mistake again, for the God's sake. All right. And now second thing is about, you can do beautiful more thing as well. Now how to stop. First, to stop this one, I'm going to click that button. You can see stop sharing. Hit that button, now it's stop sharing. So now that you can do actually a more amazing thing, and I'll show you. So now let's say example, I'm coming in here, and you can basically, I've shown this in a window, right? And you can actually choose a tab in a Chrome. If you're using the Google Chrome browser for Google Meet, you can actually share a tab as well too. And you can click this one, and immediately showing all the different tab opened you have in your Google Chrome. So now I'm going to select this one, and immediately I'm sharing my Google tab browser to the rest of the world. And now you can see this one is already available. And now it's even more exciting is this one. Now and I'm in Google right now. What I can do, I can type it here. Anything I can type here and it will appear too. So now the biggest part is about what I need to do. I don't need to even how to switch the tab. The visible part, you need to switch this one. There's a button here, share this tab instead. I hit it on and immediately it will share. And now everything I do here, it will be automatically broadcasted to all people. So like an example, I click this one. That was an error because there's a VN. I remove that one. So now it's all loading right now, right? And you can come back and you can see it's also showing an example. It's exactly video broadcasting. Anything is happening right now in this browser it automatically keep broadcasting to all the participants too. So that's the number 2. So to stop it, you can see in the top, I can click this one, stop sharing, and it's done. Now there's another type of sharing, this one. And another type of sharing is this one, is your entire screen. I can actually share the entire screen I'm in right now. I can click the entire screen. So right now I have 2 screens. I have this laptop, which you are seeing right now. I have another second screen too. To do this one, what I need to do, I click select the screen. You have to select. And as soon as I click that one, it will be selected with this blue button. Otherwise, I can click this one and you can say select. If I don't do it, it will not be shared. And then all I need to do, I had to hit the share button. I hit the share button. So now you can see my second screen getting broadcasted to all the participants. To stop sharing, I can click this one or I can hide this one, and then later on I can even stop sharing this one. So that's exactly what you need to do to work like a Google Meet, like a pro. And you have learned already with me. So now, never ever do this mistake. Act like a pro by this way. Share your presentation and thoughts, Google searches like a pro to show your amazing expertise and build your great capability to your audience in through your Google Meet conversations or interviews. You may want to check out to learn how to use Google Meet more like a pro. Check out this video right now and I will see you there. Click right now. We have some exciting plan for the next week. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it out.